Hello and welcome to Math Meets Tech. I'm Andrew Capretto, and we're continuing our series on teaching with iPads and the Notability app. Today, I'm going to show you a feature that came at least relatively new when I'm recording this. It's the tape feature. If you ever have part of the text on a PDF or other note that you're sharing with students and you want to hide that temporarily and reveal it when you want to, the tape tool is new and is just exactly what you've been looking for. I'll show you how it works. All right, this is a newer feature of Notability, and I love it so much that I had to make it its own video. So this is the tape tool. So I'm going to show you when this would be so useful so I can show it together. So I've got, for instance, some fill-in-the-blank questions here in some notes that I'm giving for students. So in order for the terms to be considered like terms, they must have the same variables, each raised to the same exponents, and the order of the variables doesn't matter. So I can fill that in the first time that I'm going through it with students, but maybe the second time or maybe in a future time, I don't want to maybe write that every single time. So there's a new tool and it's hidden with the highlighter. So when you click the highlighter, next to highlighter is tape. And so the tape tool, it lets you pick the size that you want. I'm going to draw over top of each of these fill-in-the-blanks. Keep it as one single stroke there. One there, a new stroke there, and a new stroke there. So I have taped over, like some whiteout tape that we might have used at one point in time, those answers. And now I can simply tap to reveal them and tap to hide them. Reveal, hide, hide. And I just love it. I feel like I could use this in so many different situations. I could have my notes from past years and just kind of reveal the words here. I will be honest, sometimes I make so many blanks in my fill in the blanks. I'm like, what was I thinking at that time? Hey, now I can just have them there and hide them up for students really, really quickly. If you do want to get rid of those, you can still use your eraser tool and you can erase just your tape and your words are still underneath there. Again, as much as you put it with one piece of tape is all going to be one single click and reveal. I'm going to just keep using this all the time now. So thanks. That's the tape feature from Notability. Fairly new to me. Hopefully you guys love it as well.